Picture this. The clock is ticking, the air is buzzing with excitement, and your guests are eagerly gathering around, ready to welcome the new year. What's the secret to hosting a party everyone will remember? It's all about serving epic New Year party snacks that are easy, delicious, and packed with protein to keep the energy going all night. Hi, and welcome to Fun Food Stories. Today I'll show you how to create 3 amazing snacks that will wow your guests and keep the party vibes alive. Let's dive into these fun, flavorful, and festive recipes. Let's start with our first recipe, chicken and cheese stuffed mini peppers. Begin by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. While the oven heats, take 15 mini bell peppers and slice them in half lengthwise. Remove the seeds and any white membranes inside. Then set them aside on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. These vibrant little peppers are naturally sweet and perfect for holding a creamy, savory filling. In a large bowl, combine 2 cups of shredded rotisserie chicken with half a cup of softened cream cheese, half a cup of shredded cheddar cheese, a 1/4 cup of finely chopped green onions, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a pinch of smoked paprika if you want a slightly smoky kick. Mix everything together until it's well combined and creamy. Now take a spoon and generously fill each pepper half with the chicken mixture, making sure to press it in so it's nice and packed. Place the stuffed peppers in the oven and bake them for 12 to 15 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and slightly golden. When they're done, the aroma will be absolutely irresistible. Arrange them on a serving platter, sprinkle with a little chopped parsley for garnish, and watch them disappear as soon as they hit the table. Next, we're making turkey meatball skewers, a protein-packed snack that's both satisfying and party-perfect. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. In a mixing bowl, combine 1 pound of ground turkey with 1/3 of a cup of breadcrumbs, a 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 1 egg, half a teaspoon each of garlic powder, onion powder and dried oregano, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Mix everything together with your hands until the ingredients are evenly incorporated, but be careful not to overmix, as this can make the meatballs tough. Form the mixture into small, golf ball-sized meatballs, and place them on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Bake for 20 minutes, or until the meatballs are cooked through and have a light golden color. While the meatballs bake, prepare your skewers by gathering cherry tomatoes and fresh basil leaves. Once the meatballs are out of the oven, let them cool for a few minutes. Then thread them onto wooden skewers, alternating with the tomatoes and basil leaves. For a final touch, drizzle the skewers with balsamic glaze, which adds a tangy sweetness that complements the savory meatballs beautifully. Serve these on a platter, and don't forget to include a small bowl of honey mustard or spicy sriracha mayo for dipping. Now, for something lighter but just as delicious, let's make a high-protein Greek yogurt dip with fresh veggies. Start by combining 2 cups of plain Greek yogurt with 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 minced garlic clove, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of chopped fresh dill in a mixing bowl. Add half a teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Then whisk until the mixture is smooth and creamy. For the best flavor, cover the bowl and let the dip chill in the refrigerator for at least 15 minutes. While the dip is chilling, prepare your vegetable platter. Slice crisp carrots into sticks, cut cucumbers into rounds, and arrange snap peas, cherry tomatoes, and any other fresh veggies you love on a large serving tray. For an extra creative presentation, you can hollow out a large bell pepper and use it as a bowl for the dip. Once everything is ready, place the dip in the center of your veggie platter and surround it with a colorful assortment of vegetables. This dish is refreshing, nutritious, and packed with protein from the Greek yogurt, making it the perfect balance to the other richer snacks on the table. With these 3 epic New Year party snacks, chicken and cheese stuffed mini peppers, turkey meatball skewers, and high-protein Greek yogurt dip, you're all set to throw a celebration your guests will never forget. Not only are these recipes easy to make, but they're also packed with protein to keep everyone energized for the countdown. Which of these snacks are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Fun Food Stories, and ring the bell icon so you never miss out on more delicious recipes. Here's to a fantastic new year filled with great food, laughter, and memories. Cheers to 2025 and happy cooking!